Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Foods YouTube channel. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and dive into a world of New Year's celebrations like never before. Forget the ordinary, because we're about to uncover the delectable secrets of global festivities. Sweet, bready masterpiece crowned with almonds, known as Vasilopita, the Greek sensation that transforms New Year's into a culinary extravaganza. But here's the twist: this is not just any cake. It's a tradition-packed delight with a hidden treasure. Join me on this mouth-watering journey as we explore the rich traditions behind the Vasilopita cake and uncover the secret to a year filled with sweet success. Stay tuned for a slice of luck and a feast for your senses. First of all, we will talk about how to make enchanting Vasilopita at home. To craft the enchanting Vasilopita at home, follow these steps. Ingredients: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1½ cups sugar. For large eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon orange zest, 1 tablespoon brandy optional, 1 cup blanched almonds, chopped, 1 coin wrapped in aluminum foil, cleaned and sterilized. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a round cake pan. 2. Cream butter and sugar. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 3. Add eggs. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. 4. Mix dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add this dry mixture to the butter and sugar, alternating with the milk. 5. Flavorful touch. Stir in the vanilla extract, orange zest, and brandy for an extra layer of flavor. 6. Incorporate almonds. Gently fold in the chopped almonds until evenly distributed throughout the batter. 7. Add Lucky Charm. Carefully place the foil-wrapped coin into the batter, making sure it's well hidden. 8. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Bake for approximately 50-60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 9. Cooling time. Allow the Vasilopita to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. 10. Unveil the treasure. Once cooled, slice and share the Vasilopita. The person who discovers the hidden coin is destined for good luck in the coming year. Enjoy your homemade Vasilopita, a delightful blend of tradition and flavor. Join me in this flavorful journey through New Year traditions and cuisines. Don't miss out on the next episode, where we'll uncover another delicious secret to welcome the upcoming year with a feast of joy and taste. Until then, keep savoring the magic of New Year's dishes from around the world.